Hi there! So you received your Straga handmade cutting board. In this video, we will tell you how to care for it, allowing it to serve you longer while looking brand new. First of all, remove the board from the plastic bag and let it dry for 2 weeks. This will allow mineral oil applied in our shop to penetrate the wood and create the barrier against moisture. Now you can start working on your board. You should apply oil after every hand wash up to 10 first washes. This will strengthen the barrier against moisture. Pour some oil on a completely dry board and spread it across all surfaces with a sponge. Then let the board rest overnight and absorb the oil. After that, you will need to oil your board once a month to maintain the barrier. You can always buy our very own Straga oil to give your board some tender love and care. Find the link in the description below. Always follow our care instructions and remember, never put your board in the dishwasher. Do not use harsh detergents or cleaning products on the wood. We advise not to cut continuously on the same spot to avoid excessive wear. Do not leave wooden boards soaking in the sink. Remove juices from fresh meats, fruits, and vegetables from the cutting board. Do not lay your board flat after washing. Following these steps will help prevent wood from warping and drying, allowing you to fully enjoy your engraved cutting board. Thanks for watching.